Hi guys, welcome to Rosy World. Wow, look at this. Today I'm gonna show you the sticker book about bugs. Let's flip through the sticker book together. 정말 많은 종류의 곤충들을 이 책에서 만나볼 수 있어요. 한번 살펴보고 스티커 놀이 할게요.
Ant.
Hello, we are earthworms. 우리는 지렁이야. I live underground. 나는 땅 속에 살아. I like moist soil. 촉촉한 흙을 좋아해. I like to dig.
Earthworm.
What's this sound? 무슨 소리죠? Oh, it's the sound of bee. Here comes bees. Hi, bees. 벌 친구들이 있네요. The bees are buzzing around.
Bee.
We are the insects that love water. Splash. 우리는 물을 좋아하는 곤충이에요. 물자라, 물방개, 물장군, 장구애비, 개아제비. Here we go.
Water scorpion. Diving beetle. Giant water bug. Back swimmer. Dark diving beetle. Water strider. Water stick insect.
Look at these snails. Oh, but they don't have any colors. We gotta find them their color shells. Look at these colorful shells. Okay, what color shell do you want? 무슨 색깔 껍질 원해? Red. Next, I want a blue shell. Okay, here you are. I want a pink shell. Okay, alright. And I'm gonna give you a pink shell. Pink. Turquoise. 청록색. Blue-green. Here you are. 야, 무슨 색깔의 껍질을 줄까? Yellow? Okay, and I'm gonna give you a yellow shell. Here you are. Look at these small snails. Purple snail. Here's a green snail. It's orange. 여기는 예쁜 애벌레 친구를 만날 수 있네요. Caterpillar. I am an orange caterpillar. Caterpillar. 나는 애벌레야. Look at my feet. I have tiny feet. 내 발 작지? Look at these butterflies. They're so beautiful. Look at us. My wings go flap, flap. I flutter from flower to flower. What's this sound? 무슨 소리죠? It's the sound of cicada. 매미 소리네요. Cicada.
Cicada. Cicada. Cicada.
Hi guys, we love green grass. 사마귀, 귀뚜라미 장수풍뎅이, 무당벌레,
Cricket. Cricket. Rhinoceros beetle. Rhinoceros beetle. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Ladybug. Ladybug. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. Longhorned grasshopper. Longhorned grasshopper. Praying mantis. Praying mantis. Praying mantis.
long-headed grasshopper, long-headed grasshopper. 얼굴이 길어서 배짱이 grasshopper. 배짱이 여치 메뚜기들이 다 grasshopper 종류인 것 같아요.
Bee. Bee. Bee.
Stag beetle. Stag beetle.
깜깜한 밤에는 어떤 곤충들이 깨어있는지 살펴볼까요?
Stag beetle. Stag beetle. Stag beetle.
Moth. 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 Rhinoceros beetle. Rhinoceros beetle. Rhinoceros beetle.
여기 더듬이처럼 생긴 뿔 부분이 길어서 horn이 길어서 a longhorn beetle.
Longhorned beetle. Longhorned beetle. Cricket. 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 Beetle. 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 Firefly. Firefly.
Look at those spiders! Oh, they're gonna eat us! Help! 도와주세요! Never, never, never! 안 되지! We're not gonna let you go! We're gonna eat you! Oh, poor you guys! Meet another bug friends. We are ladybugs. 이번 친구들도 색깔이 없네요. Let's place their shells together. Here we